The packaging of cigarettes was done on the second floor of the factory. After the tobacco leaves were rolled and dried into cigarettes, they were ready for packaging. In the early days, there were no packaging machines, and all the packaging was done by hand. The packaging department operated 24 hours a day. Female workers would grab cigarettes from wooden boxes for packaging. Incredibly skilled, they were able to grab exactly 10 cigarettes at a time without looking. It took just 2 grabs to fill a pack. The packaging process involved the following materials: inner wrapping paper, outer wrapping paper, label seals, cardboard packs, cellophane, and wax paper. 10 individual packs were bundled into a carton, and then they were put into big boxes. The packaged products were transported by conveyor belt from the second floor to warehouse number 1 for storage. From there, the products were distributed via the nearby railroad or by truck to various locations in Taiwan and Asia.